Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change folder color on a Google Drive. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Drive apps, and after this you can click on the file, click on it, and after this you can click on the three dots icon in here, click on it, and in here you can click on the change color, and in here you can choose the color that you want to add. Maybe I want to add a green, so you just click on the green, and you can see the folder change to the color change to green folder like this. And one more, you can click on a three dots, and after this you can click on the change color, choose the color that you want. I want to add orange, and finish. So it's so simple. How to change a folder color on a Google Drive. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing, guys. Bye bye.